Hey guys, welcome to Automate with Rakesh. In this video, we are going to see how you can add a header. Now to add a header, it is quite simple. First of all, you need to highlight the cell and click on Insert Cell Above. So what happens by this? A cell has been added on the top. Now in this one, in the code section, here in the drop down, you have to select something called heading. Now what happens by selecting heading and what happens by selecting markdown? Let me select heading. The moment you select heading, it tells you Jupyter no longer uses special heading cells. So that means that cell, that heading drop down that you see might be removed in a later stage. And it tells you instead write your headings in markdown cells using hash character. So even if you select heading, what happens? It will add you a hash and you can see the drop down automatically change to markdown. So next time when you add, you can directly go for markdown instead of a heading. Pretty simple. Okay, so once you get it, you get a hash symbol and let me write printing a string and hit on shift plus enter. By doing this, you can see I have got my heading written printing a string in this way. Now let's say you would like to have a smaller heading later. So let's say here in the cell number 2 where I'm printing numbers, I want to have a heading called printing numbers. Again the same process, insert cell above, and here I am going to select markdown so I don't get that prompt again. And here I got to know I have to use a hash symbol. Now if you put two hash, what happens? The size of the, you can see the size is going down. For example, let me say printing numbers. If I put another hash and give a space between the hash, okay, you can see that the size is slightly decreasing. Do you see this? The size is slightly decreasing. So whatever size you need, it supports up to 6. Okay, after that it doesn't work. So you can see up to 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, up to 6 it will work. Now if you hit on shift enter, you got a no, printing. I made a spelling mistake. Shift enter and you see you got your header. Now the next thing comes to our mind. Okay, Rakesh, what if I I want to have a bullet point below the main header, or anywhere you like to have a bullet point. How to do that? Now for this, again click on the cell, get in, double click here, so you get into a editable mode, and here I would like to have a bullet point. So hit on enter, and for bullet points simply use a hyphen, and I'm saying this is a demo. Shift enter. So you can see you got a bullet point. Now how do you get a sub bullet point? Again hit on enter and hit on tab so that you create a space. Hit on tab and I am saying sub bullet point. Again hyphen and I'm saying sub bullet point. Shift enter. Now you can see I have got sub bullet points. So this is how you can create headings, and depending on the size that you need. Let's say I'm not happy with the size of the heading, I want to slightly increase this. Is double click here and you can have less number of hash codes. Let's say I'm keeping 3. You can see the size has slightly increased. Shift enter. Getting it? So this is how you will be able to create your headings, subheadings, bullet points, and all of this using this simple technique. So thank you guys for watching. We are going to meet once again in the next video.